Hello everyone, I'm Shashank. Today we are going to talk not only about what split screen is and how to use it, but also explain in-depth reason behind the uses of this technique. If you are new to this channel, then please subscribe and press the bell icon to get all notification about the film editing techniques. So what split screen is? Split screen is an editing technique where we place two shots in one screen, or we can say we divide our screen into two or more parts and give appropriate spacing to each one of them to narrate a story. But before that, we have to understand why we use it. In our third video, we discussed juxtaposition. If you have not watched it yet, then I will highly recommend you to check the playlist and watch that video first, because split screen is an advanced use of juxtaposition. In juxtaposition, we understood that we place two footages side by side to narrate a story. And in split screen, rather than placing them side by side, we put two or multiple footages on a single screen. Now, before proceeding further, I will suggest you to watch this. Here, we can divide this frame into two parts because two characters are building here. One in the foreground and another one in the background. So we can say that split screen is a combination of juxtaposition and composition, where an editor tries to make his composition with different shots. Now I hope it is very much clear to you. So now the question is where we can apply this split screen. We can apply split screen in our films in many ways. Like you might have seen this a lot in a telephonic conversation, happening of same event or a different event at the same time but at a different space, for showing contrast between different characters, or in the climax of the film, etc. So now understand how to write split screen on the script. There can be many ways to write split screen as per the convenience of writer. The most simple way is just type split screen start in capital letter. Then press the enter button twice and start writing, mentioning right and left. And once you are done, then type split screen end in capital letter. Now, how to achieve it on editing table? Here we will place two clips above to each other and use the crop tool or pen tool. If we want to go a little fancy, then we can play with the marker. I hope you have learned something new and useful today. So like and share this video. And if you have any doubt, then comment below. I will definitely try to reply you. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, as we are coming up with all 25 tutorials on film editing. If you have missed out the previous videos of this series, then check now in the description. Till then, bye bye.